Desmond Morris, in The Naked Ape, looks at modern humans through the eyes of a zoologist. Morris's basic thesis is that we are vegetarians turned carnivores. Morris's scientific study of the human animal argues that the behavior of the modern naked ape is primarily that of a carnivore, but the naked ape also remains an animal with a dual personality, in that the behavior of this carnivore ape is still affected by its vegetarian origins. Morris sees the evolutionary change from being vegetarian to being a carnivore as a dramatic shift. This brings us to the last 1,000,000 or so years of the naked ape's ancestral history, and to a series of shattering and increasingly dramatic developments. Several things happen together. And it is important to realize this. All too often, when the story is told, the separate parts of it are spread out as if one major advance led to another, but this is misleading. These things did not follow one another in a major set sequence. They blossomed together, minute advances being made first in one quality, then in another, each urging the other on. A hunting ape, a killer ape, was in the making. Man has evolved as an animal with a dual nature. He evolved as one thing and then made a dramatic shift in order to survive, and took on a very different role in the social order of the animal world. It could be said man has had two births, and this is a common motif found throughout literature and the stories we tell about ourselves. As Carl Jung puts it, the motif of the dual mother, an archetype to be found in many variants in the field of mythology and comparative religion, is found throughout the world, and this motif of the dual descent is everywhere in the stories we tell about ourselves, in both fact and fiction. According to Jung, the idea of a second birth is found at all times and in all places. This, then, is a major archetype, and has remained as an integral piece of who we are in our subconscious throughout recorded history. But who is the mother of our second birth? And where is it best to look for evidence of this second mother?